We're at the Health Optimisation Summit. It's the first year and it's been incredible.
I found the event really amazing.
Phenomenal, yeah, it's great.
I've had such a lovely time.
There's such a buzz here, you can feel it.
So many great products, so many great speakers.
It's been amazing, all the talks and all the exhibitors and everything.
For everyone who's interested in health and well-being, there's so much you can learn.
And it just shows that so many people are really starting to take their health seriously.
We're definitely evangelizing, for sure.
I was like a kid in a candy shop.
Overall, a very well curated event from all perspectives.
I've learned so many things from all these amazing lecturers that I just am so grateful to have everyone in one place.
Most incredible weekend, and I was so excited that it's come to London.
People here from all over Europe, the UK and the US, Canada, Australia that have come especially for this event, all looking to improve their health.
There's so many engaged people, so many like-minded people.
I came from Germany all the way just for the event and I love everything. It's really good.
Good to meet so many like-minded people into health, wellness and just optimization.
All of the people here, so friendly, so open.
I think it's one of the strongest communities on the planet.
I'd absolutely recommend the event.
Yeah, of course. Absolutely, would recommend it.
For everyone to come here and to experience this and be a part of it.
It's been a wonderful event and we love being here and we look forward to next year's one.
Definitely, I am coming back next year. I would even buy my friend's ticket. I think it's that good.
Definitely the place to be, I think.